Welcome to another beautiful trout fishing day here at Montauk State Park, Missouri. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son. Whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Look, there they are, mga knayab. Madami sa baba. I hope they bite today. Yes, I think we're gonna get our limit. Makakalimit tayo ngayon, mga knayab. So to fish in this park, you need to have a Missouri fishing license, and you need to get a fishing permit for trout fishing. That's $5. I think it's $5 per day in this park. And you can use only one fishing pole with a single hook. And that's it. Let's do some fishing. So this is our group, and that's my beautiful wife. See, look at her trying to catch a fish. Oh, sigawan. Good job, Mumi. Good job.
That's guys. Okay. Palis mo na sa taga.
I can.
Unhook it.
It is also important to identify the difference between a rainbow and a brown trout, because there's a 15-inch length limit on a brown trout. Got one, fish on. Katali rin.
Dala.
Oh, hirap na walang net. I think I need to buy a net.
Wow. Ouch. 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 Papa. Papa. Thank you po.
Meron ton? Ha? Sige, may isda. Ang laki. May isda ka. I-reel mo. Pag-uli mo. Sige lang, i-reel mo lang.
Wow, that's a big one.
Laki ton.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Angat. Yun. Naku.
Oh no! No.
Oh my goodness. Sayang. Oh, yeah. Wala naman size ang ano eh.
Nakakalis talaga eh. Rainbow ba yan?
Rainbow.
Aray ko. Rainbow to?
Oh, ba't naalis?
Ewan, maliit eh.
Ang liit pala ng hook mo eh.
Man, your hook's too small.
Ah! Sorry, Jesse. Ibalik mo. Ako, pag-hawakit ito, matalino talaga ito eh.
Got one, fish on.
Sira talaga ito pamangkin ko lang.
Wow. Thank you po. Thank you po. Ha? Pwede na yan.
Okay.
That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Careful.
Ah, rainbow.
Buntik na siya nagkamali uli.
Rainbow.
Tol, ilagay mo na muna doon. Tol.
Hindi makakala yun.
Nasa tubig ulit. Wait. Doon ka. Isa ka nga lang nahuli ng asawa ko. Baka magpapakawala ka pa.
Are you happy now? Are you satisfied?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yucks, this reel is broken. I need to buy another one.
May tubig.
Patingin, patingin, patingin. Gusto mo mag-wave? Dalang mo tayo. Hindi nga, gusto mo mag-wave. Hindi ka tatakot. Nadala tayo sa pool. Sandali, sandali, sandali.
Hey sis, what happened? You got snag again? Oh, another snag. Oh my goodness. After fishing, we visited the car show event inside the state park. There's lots of beautiful car collections from the good old days. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and please push the notification bell so you can be updated on all of my new videos. Thank you so much once again and God bless everybody.